Hi everyone. Today we're going to go over the installation of the support harness that fits inside of the filter bag for the Mesclatore Pro and Lite systems. The function of the harness is to keep the bag open because the agitator would create currents of water that would pull the bag inward, and thus it would eventually tangle up in the agitator. So we need to keep it open somehow, and the best way to do this is by having a harness that's actually placed inside of the filter bag, and this is so we can easily remove the harness after we've agitated, and thus making the bag easy to lift up and clean through the zipper bottom. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to install the filter bag just to make sure that everything fits correctly. Then you're going to get 16 long rods, 4 short rods. These are all made of food grade plastics. And then you're going to get a series of push to connect fittings. You're going to get 8 T's and 8 elbows. And these are all used in tubing for water and things of that nature. Think about what goes in the back of your refrigerator, etc. So the elbows go in the corners, the T's go in the middle, the short rods go in the bottom and on the top horizontally. The long rods go in the middle vertically. And just take a look at this video on how we install it. One important thing to note is that you really need to push these fittings together. It may feel that they've gone in, but if you don't push them hard enough, they don't go in all the way. And so it may appear as if it doesn't fit, but in reality, you just haven't pushed them strong enough. And the way we assemble this is we make a layer, push it all the way down, then we add the top layer. Fairly straightforward, fairly simple. Just make sure you push these things in well enough. This is a one-time process because you don't disassemble this. Basically, you pull the harness out after you've done washing, wash it out, sanitize it, and then reuse it. So you don't assemble it every single time that you wash. The assembly process is a one-time deal. And that's it. Once you finish installation, just make sure there are no tubes that are bowed. This just means that one or more of the fittings isn't pushed in all the way. So just double check this. You also don't need 6 people to do this operation. One person can do this. I was fortunate enough to have a lot of happy helpers that wanted to learn how this process worked. This was part of a demo that we did recently. So thank you all the guys that helped me assemble this, but one person's enough to do this. So have fun. Thanks for watching.